Katie here, and welcome to my channel. Hey, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. I haven't slept tonight. I literally just filmed the end of the vlog that was up hopefully yesterday. I've not had the hottest streak recently of uploading on the schedule that I like. I wish I could be one of those people, but I'm not. I've got other things to do. Anyways, yeah, it's 6:20 right now. Today's supposed to be a full productivity day, although I do see myself falling asleep at some point, but hopefully I don't. Typically when I stay up all night, now, anyways, not when I was a kid, but now that I'm an old lady at 32, I have a tendency to fall asleep around 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock. I get really tired, but I did make a coffee. Cheers. And I instantly woke up. And I don't know if that was a psychological thing or if it's because I need to eat breakfast. I don't know. Probably psychological. But I am very much awake. My brain is awake. I'm active. I'm watching Good Mythical Morning. You can't see it. It's over here. And it's probably the first time I've watched it when they've uploaded it in like a year, which is a fun fact about me. Anyways, yeah, today I'm gonna be cleaning and stuff. Right now, I'm, what am I gonna do? I think I'm going to sit down and make a list and stuff. I'm gonna make some eggs, and, I'm gonna eat some Raisin Bran, because I bought some Raisin Bran the other day, and it's very good. Surprisingly has a lot of nutrients in it, and I didn't realize that. I thought it was just a tasty little treat. But no, it's healthy, which makes sense. Okay, anyways, I'm still tired. To the next scene. I indeed did fall asleep. I got about 2/3 of the way done editing my video, and I got so tired, so I went to bed. Anyways, I got up, and I put some eggs on my stove, and then I forgot about it. This is after I woke up, not after I fell asleep. But it was on too, so it just kind of did a thing. Wow, what a crunch. I can see that being a delicacy in somewhere. I have egg skin stuck on the inside of my teeth. I'm gonna have to brush my teeth after this. Anyways, oddly enough, that tasted like chicken skin. Very weird. But, yeah, I guess I'll eat that. It doesn't seem like it'll harm me. There's probably some nutrients left. Anyways, my neighbors are doing jelly. My neighbors are doing yard work outside, so I'm gonna keep this quick. I've made a list of everything I need to do. I need to get up, Bubba. Can you move, please? Good boy. It's a pretty chill list. You know, is this right here. And, 4 things in each room that I need to get done today that I would like to get done. And then 4 things outside I would like to do. Outside should probably be done, like, now-ish. I actually really do want some more of that egg. It wasn't that bad. Maybe it needs, like, hot sauce. I got more of the film in between my teeth and my gum. Why am I like this? vaccine. I've done some stuff. So I like to keep my door open, right? Like, there's no screen door right there. I live in a city, but the city is surrounded by woods and, like, it's not a densely populated area. I have a fly infestation. Not really. Like, I don't know where these flies came from. I saw maybe, like, a couple flies. It's too early for this, is what I'm saying. Oh my gosh. Like, it happens. I leave my door open, and I know how to take care of it now, but, like, look at that. These were the ones that were in the carpet. There's just, there's too many. There's too many. It's disgusting. I pulled my fridge and my stove out. There were some under there. I've gone through and I've completely reorganized my closet because, golly, that's where I keep my dog's food. There was like 2, and then 2 that were alive, not in their cocoon thing. So anyways, there's nothing I can do about it either except keep my door closed, but I feel claustrophobic and trapped and cabin fevery when I do that. So anyways, what I'm about to do now is I'm pulling everything away from the wall. I've got to get into the cracks, just like all of the cracks and stuff. Ugh, so gross. Luckily I caught it before they all hatched. The ones that were in the kitchen stuff and in places that I could sweep up, there wasn't a lot, okay? I would say probably 50 or 30 in the kitchen area. I looked down right here and, oh, sorry. Yeah, I looked down right here and there was just like a bunch of little brown rice pieces, and I was like, what is that? And I looked and I was like, no! So, yeah. I need to thoroughly clean my floor to make sure that I don't have a super infestation. I'm so sad. But I have to vacuum all of this. It doesn't look like anything has gotten into the bedroom, the laundry area, although I might pull this out tonight and sweep and vacuum underneath it just because it needs it. And then I checked the bathroom as well. There was nothing in any of the corners or anything. So like it was just in the kitchen and the living room area where there's like lights, you know, there's windows and stuff. I mean, there's windows in the bedrooms and stuff. So maybe I should probably check. I did a light check. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so much work. Okay, anyways, I gotta get back to it. Yeah. turn my vacuum off real quick. Oh, there's some weird noises going on outside. I need to get my dog inside. Okay, so here's the deal. Power went out in a very strange way. As you saw, it flickered a couple times. And then outside, now mind you, there's some new neighbors and stuff within the last 3 to 6 months. I don't know. They're making like monkey noises. I live in the city. Okay, so I'm just gonna conserve the battery on my phone. I'm going to put the rest of this in later, maybe. I don't know. We'll see how this all plays out. But it was really weird. Really weird. The power is back on. I went to survey because I was just like, why not? Hi, dog. Someone crashed into a light pole and took it all down. Yeah, like half of the city was out of power. It was crazy. I mean, but yeah, currently my DJ's on. So I'm gonna finish what I'm doing, go to bed, and have a field day editing this vlog, because right now I already have 50 minutes plus whatever I filmed beforehand, so like